Hello everyone, and welcome once again to another Stamping with Ian project. Thank you for joining me today. Now then, what are we doing today? We're doing this today. You see that? Beautiful embossing folder called just called Stone, and the stamp set we're using is a free one with a £45 order. No, it's not. It's a bundle with £90 order called Power of Hope, and that comes as a bundle, and you can get that for free with a £90 order, as I say. So we're also using the layering ovals as well, which comes with plains and scallop ones. So we'll put those away. Just put a piece of white cardstock inside. What am I like, eh? And we'll give it just give it a bit of a crease with my lovely bone folder from Gainer. So put that out of the way. I've got some bits here. I'm saving a bit of cardstock here by this is cherry cobbler, and as it's the back of the stamped pieces, I've cut them like that. So saves cardstock, yeah. So we've got those. We've got our two white pieces. One's for the inside, which is that piece. Ordinary whisper white, and this is grey granite, and that's the bit we're going to stamp on. So let us fold our card base. Now, don't forget, if you like this video, to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe and ring the bell so you always know when I've got something planned. My videos are always premieres, and they're always 8 PM on a Wednesday and a Friday at UK time. Right, all the measurements for all these pieces will be on the blog post, which will be linked in the description below. Okay, I'll just put that in at level, close enough. It's handmade. Bit of stamping, bit of stamping, yeah, why not? Or shall we do the embossing? Let's do the embossing first. Look, then we can get that out of the way then. So I've just got a piece of grey granite. I'm using my multi-purpose platform, just a platform and tab 2. This is the folder. That's just going to go in there like that, and it goes on. Always put the edge of your embossing folders towards the rollers. So here we go. Ooh, dearie. And there we have it. So there's our embossed piece. Get that out of the way. Put that out of the way. Put our platform out of the way. We no longer need it. But we will need this platform to cut out our stamp ones. So that's away. So Memento black ink, and ink her up like so, and then on the bottom, and let the ink soak in for a few moments. Lovely sentiment. Just put that a little bit higher up, and I hope I've got it right. Guess we'll find out in a minute. So cover your ink up, you'll note from a video a day or so ago where I showed what happened when I didn't cover my ink pad up. Not impressed. Now then, it's dry. So I'm now using my magnetic platform, 2 acrylic plates, and so let's get these. Oh, don't tell me I've done that too close. I've done it too close. Never mind. Let me stamp it again. So much for saving cardstock in this instance. Never mind. It's easy done. Let's put it up there. Lovely. You hate it when the magnets move your die without you wanting them to. Okay. That will do. Lovely. Putting it through the machine. Oh, no, moved it. Not good. Naughty. Yeah, I was a bit too vigorous with the cutting pad, and it just moved the die a little bit, so no big. There's our bits. Put our dies back where they belong. That one goes there. One goes there. Lovely. Right, spot of colouring. Okay. So I've got light crumb cake, light cherry cobbler, and light grey granite. Light crumb cake on the hair. I was going to do a blonde, but then I thought, no, maybe not. Then just to pick up the card base, grey granite on the umbrella. Lovely. So this now gets stuck to this. We'll just put a thing of glue on the oval there, bung it on. Job's a good one. Now I need some dimensionals. 3 on this. And 2 on this. put our embossed piece on. Oops, on the wonk. Put our lady on. And our sentiment. Have I got any nice embellishments to go on, I wonder? Didn't think of that. Maybe a few pearls. A few pearls. This is quite understated, so I'm going to use some little ones. Just kind of in a... Where'd that one go? Two now. Okay, and then 3 on this one. Come to Daddy. I think the one that flew off has lost its stickiness, so I won't bother with it. Just go in the bin. So there we go. Job done. So there we go. That's the one I made before. That's the one I've just made, possibly. Stampin' Up's Hold On to Hope bundle, free with a £90 order, only until March 31st. So you've only got a few more days. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, ring the bell, and yeah, 8 PM Wednesdays and Fridays UK time. Whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.